Ducati MG-20, electric folding bike. MG-20 is the first Ducati-branded foldable e-bike. The distinctive design underlines the sporting character of Ducati, through a fluid and aerodynamic profile and the sharp lines of the rims. MG-20 was created for the city. It is nimble and light on the road thanks to its frame, fork and rims entirely realized in magnesium, a light yet solid material, which provides maximum performances without affecting impact resistance. The wheel's small dimension, 20 inches diameter and 2.125 inches width, and the easy folding mechanism of the e-bike, and the pedals require minimum space, and guarantee flexibility, opening up the use in combination with public and private means of transport. The 250 watts rear motor is capable of recognizing the road conditions and, in combination with a 36 volts 10.5 ampere-hour, 378 watt-hour Samsung battery allows you to travel up to 50 kilometers, at a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour, as per regulations. The battery is integrated into the frame, and can be extracted for more convenient charging. Management of the main functions, such as switching on the lights, and selecting between 3 levels of assistance, 12, 18, and 25 kilometers per hour, takes place via the waterproof LCD display. The front LED headlight, and the reflective strips on the wheels ensure safer riding even at night.